Good morning, students. In the last session, we had discussed how to create a series from list and scalar values. Today, we will discuss how to create series from n-dimensional array, how to create series from dictionary or a mathematical expression or a function. So, first of all, how to create a series from n-dimensional array. Arrays we have discussed in class 11th also. And for that we have to use NumPy library. So here is a program to create a series from n-dimensional array without index. So in this case, first of all we have to import pandas as well as we have to import NumPy. Import pandas as pd1, import NumPy as np1. Then we have taken a variable data which is holding np1 dot array, and in the array elements are a, b, c and d, and s is a variable which will hold the series from pd1 dot series and data we are giving, and data is from the n-dimensional array, that is one dimensional array, in this case a, b, c, d. On printing s or printing series s, we will get the output at the one position we get a, second position b, third position c and fourth position there will be d. Continuing with the similar example, creating a series from n-dimensional array with index position means we will define the index position in this case, and similarly data is np1 dot array. Array is holding the values a, b, c and d, and in a series p1 dot series data we are giving the one dimensional array, index we are specifying here 10, 11, 12 and 13. On printing this series we will get the output at the index number 10 is a, and output at index number 11, index label 11 is b, index label 12 is c and index label 13 it is d. Next is to create a series from dictionary. Series in pandas can be created using dictionaries also, and it gives the advantage of built-in keys used as index, means we do not require declaring an index as a separate list. Instead, built-in keys will be treated as the index. So see the example, series is equal to pd dot series, and in this we are giving the input as a dictionary, and dictionary is having a key value pairs January 31, February 28, March 31, April 30. On printing this series we will get the output January 31 at the label February 28, index label March, it will give a value 31, at index label April APR it is giving the value 30. We can also name a series, means we can give the name of the series and the index column using the name property. And you can see in this example we are importing pandas as pd1 and series we are defining, and in series we have pd dot series and input is same as in the previous example we have taken, that is January 31, February 21, March 31 and April 31 pair. So how to name the series and the index column? We have to give series dot name is equal to days, series dot index dot name we are giving month. On printing series, the same output is there, but after displaying the output, it is displaying name, days and data type as int64. We can create a series using mathematical expression also. Means series objects can be created by defining a mathematical expression or a function which determines the value for data sequence using the syntax as given here. Series object is equal to pandas.series, index is none, data is expression or function, whatever we want to give. So first example is using mathematical expression. Import pandas as pd, numpy as np1. Now s1 series is equal to np dot arrange, means it is having the array, single dimensional array, range 10, 15, means range is from 10 to 15. Now print s1, it will print the values starting from 10 to 14. Sobj is equal to pd dot series, index is s1, data is s1 multiplied by 4. On printing sobj series, output will be at the index number. You can see the whatever is in s1, that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, means from the range 10 to 14, 10 to 15, values 10 to 14 are being displayed, and data is contained, which is contained, that is s1, whatever is the value of s1, that is being multiplied by 4 and is being displayed. So we can create a series using a mathematical expression also. Next is how to create a series using mathematical function. Instead of the mathematical expression, we can use mathematical function also. So all the other statements remain same. We can see the second last statement, sobj is pd dot series, index is s1, data is s1 power 2, means we are using exponentiation here, which is a mathematical function. So on printing sobj, we can say whatever is the value of s1, that square of that is being displayed. So today we have discussed how to create a series using n-dimensional array, dictionary and mathematical expression or function. That's all for today.